Hi, my name is Jeremy with Pristine Cleaners. Today we're going to be cleaning a concrete floor. Now this is a recently vacant location. The new tenants want it clean for their customers. So what we have here is we've pre-treated the floor already with a degreaser. What this is going to do is going to extract grease that may be in the concrete floors, bring it up to the surface. Our next step is we're going to go ahead and agitate it. Now what we're using here is a black pad. This is typically used for stripping wax off a hardwood floor, but I like to use it for concrete as well because it's a little more abrasive and it knocks down any high marks of grease that are going to be tougher to get with any pad that is less abrasive. All right, we got that. So now that it's agitated, we're going to use our extractor. This is a tile wand. And all of our systems we use are truck mounted. So all this is hooked up to a van outside that puts water in through this hose here, the blue one, and extracts it through the vacuum hose. All right. All right, so as you guys can see, that's just one location here. We have this whole area to do, which is probably about 150 to 200 square feet. We're gonna get on it and hope you check us out next time for other videos.